What's the one invisible factor that kills momentum in most businesses? It's lack of accountability. You know the feeling. Deadlines slip, follow through is erratic, and ownership feels optional. And when everyone's waiting for someone else to take the lead, nothing moves, nothing changes, and the business moves no closer to its goals and aspirations. And the truth is, most teams aren't lazy, they're just unclear on what they're responsible for and what happens when things don't happen. Now, accountability isn't about blame, it's about building trust, focus, and progress. And here are 3 simple ways to build a culture where everyone steps up. And the place to start is by setting clear expectations, not assumptions. Be specific about what needs to happen, who needs to make that happen, by when it needs to happen, and why it matters. Next, you want to create regular check-in points. Now that could be things like weekly huddles, progress updates or scoreboards, because these things keep everything visible and top of mind. And thirdly, you want to model a behaviour. Be the change you want to see. Own your own outcomes and admit missteps, because others are going to feel compelled to follow your lead. Okay, your momentum move for today. Choose one commitment that's been floating around way too long. Get clarity on who owns it, what's next, and when it's due. And then say it out loud or put it in writing. And in the comments, what's one simple thing you've done to improve the accountability in your business and in your team? Because you never know who needs your exact insight today.